Hi, in this video we will see how to download QGIS software. Before downloading, you need to know what kind of operating system you have on your computer. You can check it by going through My Computer. I am using Windows 10, so I have option called This PC. If you are using another version of Windows, you will have the option called My Computer. Here you need to right click and there is an option called Properties, or alternatively you can click anywhere over here, right click, and you will have the option called Properties. Click on the Properties. It will show you the system description. Here in a system type you can see it's a 64-bit operating system, so it means I can use QGIS installation file which is compatible with a 64-bit system. If it is a 32-bit, then you have to install QGIS which is compatible with a 32-bit operating system. Now we will see how to download QGIS. You need to go to the Google search engine and type QGIS download. Download QGIS, you will get the as a first hit. Click on it. It will direct you to the QGIS download platform. Here you see several options and versions of QGIS. At the top you will see the latest release, and here you will see long-term release which is more stable. As a beginner, I will advise you go for a long-term release. At present its available version is a 3.10, and here you can see it is mentioned as a 64-bit. So this is a 64-bit compatible version, and the same 3.2 version which is a 32-bit. Since I have a 64-bit system, I will click on 64-bit. Then it will ask me to save option. I will go to My Computer or This PC. Here I have created a folder called WPG24 GIS. I will click it over here. Here I have already created a software folder. If it is not there, you can create in your case, and I can save this file over here. This file is quite heavy, around 400 MB, so depending on the strength of internet signal, it might take several minutes, so you have to wait patiently. Once it is downloaded, we will see how to install it. So once download is complete, go to the folder where you have the downloaded software file. It is here in my case. Double click on it and the installation process will start. Since the software is quite heavy, it might take some time. Then I will click over here on next. Then you have to click on I agree. Then this is the default path. I advise you not to change it. Next. Then do not change anything over here. Click install. Now it might take several minutes. So now it's a finish. Now the process has finished. I will click on finish, and then the software is ready to use. I can go over here. I can see the recently added software as QGIS Desktop 3.10.7 and this QGIS Desktop 3.10.7 with a GRASS 7.8.3. Alternatively, I can also check on the desktop. You will see a folder is created on desktop QGIS 3.10. If you double click it, you can see the several shortcuts in that folder. It means your software is successfully installed on your computer. To be summarized, in this video we have learned how to check the version of operating system and download and install QGIS software. During this process, you need to be patient as it can take several minutes depending on strength of your internet connection and speed of your processor. After installation, now you are ready to enter in the world of GIS.